Hello, this is Dean Kurt Dirks at the Tiny Mike Tour. May is Mental Health Awareness Month. Today we're talking with Professor Glen Kreiner, Professor of Management, about this important issue. Glenn, why do you think addressing mental health in the workplace is such an important issue?
For better or for worse, workplaces are directly affecting people's mental health. So if you're in a toxic, negative kind of work environment, that's bad for the person. If you're in a vibrant, healthy kind of environment, that's good for the person. Also, we know that people have social ties at work that can be helpful for them in dealing with mental health challenges. And leaders, managers can offer really helpful, tangible resources for people.
What are some of the ways that we are caring for the whole student, including their mental health, at the David Eccles School of Business?
I think we try to take a really holistic approach to this in terms of staff, faculty members, and students being able to offer peer-to-peer support. We have the In a Pinch program, which really tries to take a holistic approach to wellness. So not just mental health, but also physical issues like making sure people have enough food to eat and help with housing. So that pragmatic side. We also try as faculty members to let students know that we are approachable and that we can talk about these issues appropriately, that none of us are going to try to play psychologist or anything, but we can offer students resources and point them to where they might be able to get the help that they need.
Glenn, is this topic being included in our curriculum, and if so, how?
Yeah, definitely in a few different ways. If you look at our undergraduate curriculum, there's a course called Responsibilities of Business Leaders. And in that course, we cover mental health to varying degrees according to each professor. But that's part of the whole person approach of thinking about this next generation of leaders that they need to have good mental health. They need to have mental health on their radar as something that's going to help the people that they're working with and for. I know in the courses that I teach at the graduate level, I always make sure to have a mental health component. So that's in our MBA programs and our MBC programs.
How can companies incorporate mental health practices into their workplaces, and what are the benefits of doing so?
One of the things that people can do is to role model talking about mental health appropriately. So leaders, managers, supervisors can share at appropriate levels things that they're going through and have that sort of open door kind of policy. Another thing that people can do is certify in what's called mental health first aid. So this is kind of like physical first aid, but on the mental health side. Some of the benefits of doing so, we can think both on the ethics side. It helps to create a more ethical culture when we're caring about each other, and we see a lot of research showing the benefits of that when people feel supported. There's also a great financial argument, and that there's a huge return on investment when we invest time, effort, and dollars into our employees' mental health.
This is Dean Kurt Dirks with Professor Glenn Kreiner, the Tiny Mike Tour, and we'll see you next time. Go Utah!